Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Let's get started right away in this course, and we're going to be talking about 3 different things in this very first video. The first thing that I'm going to be discussing with you is this entire course is based upon a 30-day challenge. That's right. In the next 30 days from when you watch this very video, take out your calendar, take out whatever you need to do, you have to do something to double your confidence and self-esteem for the next 30 days. If you do that, I promise you're going to see some incredible life-changing results, but it's up to you to take the action. So make sure for the next 30 days, you're applying everything in this course. You see, it's not about just listening and hearing and kind of understanding, it's about the application of everything that we're doing in this course. Now, before we get started, there's 2 things that I need to talk to you about, and that's really going to help push you through those 30 days. 1 is our motivation, and 2, why do you want to double your confidence and self-esteem? It could be a million different reasons. For me personally, when I first got into confidence and self-esteem, is because I wanted to attract, well, a girlfriend into my life. And that right there gave me all the motivation in the world. So in your own experience, whether it may be attracting a significant other, a new job opportunity, maybe it's just, you're not feeling good about yourself and you want to just make more friends, whatever it is, find your why. I want you to take out a piece of paper, your calendar, do it right now. Write down why you really want to double your confidence and self-esteem. And don't move on any further in this course until you discover that why. It's going to help you with your motivation for the next 30 days. You see, having a strong why and really being motivated is what's going to cause you to take action. If you don't take any action and you just watch these videos, nothing is going to happen. The action taking, the application part is most important. So having a very strong why is going to motivate you to get out of the house, to go and really put yourself out there, try some different things, which we're going to be talking about and discussing in this whole course. So in the next 3 videos, I'm going to give you step by step how to double your confidence and self-esteem in a very short amount of time, what to do, how to say it, all that kind of stuff. But remember, if you're not motivated, if you don't have a overarching big why, a purpose, you're not going to go out and do these things, and then you're not going to get the results. I want you to win so badly that I'm willing to create this course and really make this for you. This course is for you, but it's up to you to do your part, and that is to take action and to actually go through the next 30 days and really apply what you've learned in this course. I'll see you guys in our next video. Stay tuned.